4.5 and 5 mm broad dynamic compression safety lock plate with low contact undercuts. These plates are used to fix the fractures of various long bones like humerus, femur and tibia. These are also used in fixation of non-unions and malunions. Low contact plate design reduces the plate and bone contact. This feature reduces vascular trauma. These plates are used with 4.5 and 5 mm cortical safety lock screws. These plates are available with number of holes varying from 5 to 24. These are available in stainless steel and titanium. We follow international quality standards to offer the best quality product. While manufacturing, every minor technicality is taken into consideration. High technology machines are used for better production and faster delivery.